Leaks. There are all kinds of leaks. We're going to combine the 3 leak standards under NSPIRE all together in one video. There are gas and oil leaks or fuel leaks. There are sewer system leaks, and there are water leaks or plumbing leaks. There were 4 kinds of water leaks in a unit under UPCS. You could have a leak in the bathroom, in the kitchen, a leak at the water heater, and a condensate leak at the HVAC system. Together, these 4 defects could be worth as much as 3.5 points in a unit that was only worth 2 points, so you could zero out a unit on leaks alone. Under NSPIRE, a unit can be cited once for a regular plumbing water leak, again for a leak from a sprinkler system, and again for our water leaking through a foundation or other area of the building and the intrusion of environmental water. The total point value for each of these types of leaks is under 1/4 point. Together, they total something like less than 3/4 point. There's a separate water heater deficiency that can include leaks at the pressure relief valve, and for some reason, this deficiency is worth nearly as much as the other 3 types of leaks combined. Please look for that under the water heater standard. Of course, those are all freshwater leaks. We also have sewer plumbing leaks, which have a higher scoring value yet. Let's take a look at all the different types of leaks that are spelled out as leaks under the new NSPIRE standards. There's one type of leak that falls under the inspectable item leak, gas or oil, and this, of course, is the highest scoring of all leak. It's a fuel leak. Deficiency 1, natural gas, propane, or oil leak, or uncapped fuel supply. This has a value of 2.4 in a unit, 2.18 inside, 1.98 outside. This, of course, assumes that we're inspecting a total of 25 units. And a fuel leak is obviously the most dangerous type of leak, and it's hopefully rare. It's considered life-threatening. There are 4 types of leaks under the inspectable item called leak sewage system. These are all severe deficiencies. They have a severe level of severity and a scoring value of 0.59 in the unit, 0.54 on the inside, 0.49 outside. They are, just briefly, D1, blocked sewage system, D2, leak in a sewage system, D3, cap to the cleanout or the pump cover is detached or missing. D4, cleanout cap or riser is damaged. And then we have our 3 types of water leaks. These are moderate severity, a scoring value of 0.22 in a unit, 0.2 inside, and 0.08 where they occur outside. And of course, D1 is environmental water intrusion. You can't have water intruding to the outside, so there's no such deficiency there. D2 is a plumbing leak. D3 is fluid leaking from the sprinkler assembly. So let's look at our longer deficiency definitions just to see if there's anything there that we find interesting. Leak, gas, or oil. A fuel or gas leak refers to an unintended leak of natural gas or another gaseous product from a pipeline or other containment into any area where the gas or fuel should not be present. Gas leaks can be hazardous to the health and to the environment. Deficiency 1, natural gas, propane, or oil leak. Deficiency, there is evidence of gas, propane, or oil leak. Interesting there that they say gaseous product, but they include oil, which would be a liquid. Under our leak sewage system definition, we find that a sewage system leak refers to the leakage of wastewater out of a sanitary sewer system. Common components include liquid, leach field, gas trap, sewer backup valve, sewer line, pipe, drain, sewer cleanout, cap, riser. Deficiency 1, blocked sewage system. Deficiency occurs when wastewater is unable to drain, resulting in a sewer backup. Deficiency 2, there's a leak in the sewage system. There's evidence of a sewer leak or fitting leaking. More information, if there's evidence of an inactive leak, in other words, a past leak that is now dry, evaluate the condition under mold-like substance standard. Note, private sanitary systems are typically certified or approved by a local authority, such as a building or health department. I'm not really sure what we're supposed to do with that information. Deficiency 3, cap to the cleanout or pump cover is detached or missing. Deficiency, cap to the cleanout or pump cover is detached or missing. There's evidence of prior installation, but it's now not present or is incomplete. Deficiency 4, cleanout cap or riser is damaged. Deficiency, cleanout cap or riser is damaged, visibly defective, or something impacts its functionality. More information, this item is located on the ground and is often hit and cracked by lawnmowers. That would be the cleanout cover. Examples of damage that may impact functionality of the cleanout cap or riser may include, but are not limited to, an unintentional hole, intentionally drilled hole into the cap for easier access to the cleanout, or a crack. Leak water. A water leak can be caused by damage, including a puncture, gash, rust or other corrosion, a hole, a tiny pinhole leak, possibly in imperfect welds, a crack or microcrack, or inadequate sealing between compounds or parts joined together. Common components include gas trap, piping, drain, cap, riser, plumbing pump, pump system, fire suppression, sprinkler assembly, including connected pipes and fittings, water heater, boiler, dishwasher, garbage disposal, sink, and valves. So it appears that a leak at a garbage disposal comes under plumbing leaks, not under sewage leaks. Deficiency 1, environmental water intrusion. Deficiency, water from the exterior environment is leaking into the interior. More information, water intrusion is the unwelcome presence of water leaking into the interior. Water intrusion may be the result of structural damage, poor installation of building materials, degrading materials, or defective building materials. Deficiency 2, plumbing leak. The deficiency is the failure of a plumbing system that allows for water intrusion in unintended areas. For more information, if there's evidence of an inactive leak, evaluate the condition under the mold-like substance standard. Examples of plumbing components and fixtures to evaluate under this deficiency may include, but are not limited to, HVAC system, the water heater, a boiler, dishwasher, garbage disposal, sink, valves, bathtub. Outside examples of exterior plumbing components to evaluate under this deficiency may include, but are not limited to, an exterior hose faucet or a hose bib, landscaping, sprinkler, or irrigation system. And that leaves us with deficiency 3, fluid is leaking from the sprinkler assembly. Deficiency, fluid is leaking from the sprinkler assembly. For more information, a fire suppression sprinkler assembly is the part of the fire protection sprinkler system that discharges water or another material when activated once reaching a certain predetermined temperature. Components of a sprinkler assembly may include, but are not limited to, a head, a valve, a deflector, escutcheon or trim ring, sprinkler head cover, speaking here of concealed sprinklers, and piping. So that's it for our leaks. All of our various types of leaks other than leaks at a water heater pressure relief valve, which we will find under the water heater standard. This is Michael Gant for React Guru and the Inspection Group. Thanks for viewing. Give us a thumbs up if this has been helpful.